Imagine a living, breathing entity that produces 20% of the world's oxygen. Welcome to the Amazon rainforest. This sprawling ecosystem, often called the lungs of the earth, absorbs carbon dioxide and releases vital oxygen through photosynthesis. Home to millions of species, it plays a crucial role in regulating the global climate. Yet, deforestation threatens its existence, jeopardizing not only its unique biodiversity, but also our planet's air supply. Protecting the Amazon is essential for a sustainable future. Our very breath depends on it.